The Italian MIB continues to stand out in 2025, gaining 25% year-to-date and maintaining steady momentum with a 4% rise over the past 3 months and 1.15% in the most recent month. Yet for investors, performance alone is not sufficient to justify continued exposure. The essential question is whether the trend remains structurally healthy. To answer that, we need to look beyond price. Our market health framework examines 3 core dimensions: price momentum, trend quality, also known as breadth, and sentiment. Momentum evaluates the strength and persistence of the advance. Trend quality measures how broadly the move is supported across constituents, a critical factor in assessing durability. And sentiment, by contrast, captures the level of crowding within the trend. High crowding can signal that a move is becoming one-sided, reducing the available buying power and increasing the risk of short-term exhaustion. This lens helps investors distinguish between trends that can extend and those approaching their limits. Essentially, the most important question in trend following. Ultimately, these dimensions are aggregated into short, mid, and long-term market health scores. A score of 100 represents the highest strength, while 0 indicates the lowest strength in each category. This composite view forms the foundation of our market regime framework, enabling investors to separate healthy, sustainable advances from fragile, high-risk environments. For the Italian MIB, the signals remain constructive. Momentum is strong across all time horizons, and trend quality confirms that the rally is broad-based rather than dependent on a narrow set of names. Short-term sentiment has turned negative, pointing to elevated crowding and the potential for tactical slowdown. However, this crowding is not sufficient to destabilize the broader structure. Mid-term sentiment remains balanced, indicating that the underlying demand does not yet show signs of meaningful fatigue. A core message for investors is that the MIB's trend remains well supported despite short-term noise. In environments where structural momentum and breadth align, setbacks tend to be orderly consolidations rather than early signs of deterioration. This provides a clearer framework for position sizing, risk management, and assessing whether to maintain or add exposure. With multiple dimensions still confirming strength, the Italian market continues to offer a constructive backdrop for trend-oriented allocations. You want to follow the market health radar chart for the MIB index and 27 other global markets and sectors? Check out our research at WallStreetCourier.com and make sure to follow our channel for more market insights.